Hey, how's it going, everybody? Just want to give a shout out to the Glock store, to the website is www.glockstore.com, and I just wanted to show you guys this magazine because that shit is great there. They order guns from them. They got fucking everything, man. It's fucking beautiful things. Still guide rod assembly kits, Fulcrum trigger bars. A fucking complete Fulcrum trigger. Yeah, complete Fulcrum trigger kit. They have a bunch of shit, man. Competition magwell. We got titanium safety pluggers, extended slide locks, everything, man. I got that from Lock from here. I think it's only about like $17.99. Beautiful, man. Love this fucking book, man. And they got everything, man. A heavy tungsten guide rod. The guide rod spring. Oh, they also have those the Glock sleeves for say you want to. For me, I have a 23. If I wanted to put a 22 mag in my 23, I could do it. Just order this, and it'll look pretty cool like that. Yeah, this is a fucking great book. They have everything. Extended magazines, factory Glock magazines. They're not too bad. $30, so it's about $5 for shipping. They have everything, man. Check it out, guys. www.glockstore.com, and you won't be disappointed. They have a lot of nice shit there for all you Glock owners. So check them out, and you guys have a great day, man.